Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how to make an outline effect for your thumbnail, or how can you create a thumbnail for YouTube videos that stand out with an outline effect. So if you don't know what the outline effect, let me show you. Alright, this is the outline effect right here. Alright, you see this white line right there? This is what we call, what I mean by the outline. And I'm also going to show you how to add these stickers and the text, and how you can darken the background and make your thumbnail just stand out. And because this is what is trending right now on YouTube, and this is what works, that what attracts a lot of people to click on your video. All right, so this is what I'm going to be showing you in today's video. So without any further ado, let's just get right into it. Alright guys, so here I am on my desktop. Here is the image that I want to make. This is the image that I want to make thumbnail on. Alright, so this is what we want to start with. So I want to drag and drop this image to my Photoshop right there. So I want to drag it and drop it here, open it in a new file, just like that, in a new tab, sorry. So what you want to do now is you want to go ahead and click on this one, the quick selection tool. So you want to select the quick selection tool, and here you see this option of subject select. So this is what you want to select for now, and this is actually going to make selecting the subject so much faster. So if you click on select subject, it's just gonna do its magic, and it's just gonna select the subject automatically without you having to do any work. If there's a problem, you can just always go and drag and edit it with the quick selection tool. If you want to minus here, if you want to add more selection, just like this, like that. All right, so we don't want to select that chair, want to go and drop it down just like this, you see. All right, very easy way, just like that. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. And if you're done and everything is perfect, you just click on a right click and select and mask. All right, so oops, I noticed that I don't have the ear right here. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select the ear back again. Okay, so everything is fine. All right, yep. All right, so let's go and right click and select and mask. So you can see here everything is perfect. This is to help you, this is just a way to help you to see if it's clear and something, if you missed out something. All right, so if everything is good, you can also play with the smoothing, feather, and contrast, and soft edges and stuff like that. So if you're done here, you just click on OK, and what you want to do now is you want to drag this layer and you want to go and drop it here. You want to create a new layer, and then what you want to do is you select this layer and you click on this one, this icon, which is add layer mask. All right, so we are adding a layer mask, and now what you want to do is you want to select this, the image, right click on it, blending options. Okay, so you select it, right click on it, and click on blending options. All right, so we click on blending options, and here it is. All right, so we go to stroke, and you see we have this option of making a stroke, or you can also go to outer glow. All right, so the outer glow, this is what we're using, and boom, it's making the outline already, and it saved the settings that I have done before. All right, so if you want to, you can actually play with the opacity if you just want to make it less like if you want to make it transparent or something. I want it to be 100%. If you can play with the noise, obviously right here, and you can change the color. You can select red or black or whatever, but I'm just gonna stick with the white color, and then you can play with the other settings right here. You can experience for yourself. All right, so this is the outer glow. You can also go to drop shadow to make that image stand out. So you see this shadow right here. So you can play with the opacity just like that. All right, so I want to have it just something like this. And if you want to play with the noise or something like this, you can change the color as well. So we just want to have it like this, and we click on OK to save. And now what I want is I want to have my picture stand out from the background. So what I want to do is I want to go back to the layer right here, the first layer that we have, the original one. So we click on it, and then you select it, and then you go to filter, or you want to go to image, and then adjustments, and then brightness or contrast. Okay, so you want to click on brightness or contrast, and you just drag it down to make it, to just make it darker, right? So you want to make your background darker so that the picture stands out. Okay, something like this. You can also play with the contrast. So I want to have it something like that, and click OK to save. And now let's go back to this one. All right, so we are happy with this for now. And what you want to do now is you want to add a text. Okay, so we want to go and select text, and then outline effect. Okay, so this is the outline, capital O, capital as well, and want to place it right here, something like that. And then you want to click on this OK to just have it there. All right, so here it is. So how can we add outline effect to the text that there, just like I have in this example, right? So what you want to do is you want to go and select this right here, and then you want to right click, just same thing we did there, and you want to go to the to stroke or outer glow or whatever you want. So you have a lot of options right there. You can experience them for yourself. All right, so here is the stroke. I have these settings from last time set up already, so you can change the size obviously right here. I just want to have it set around here maybe, and you can have it outside, inside, or center, and you can change the color of the outline. All right, so we want to have it like this, and click OK, and here we go, guys. So now if we want to add more stickers, you can actually just go and download some logos. So here in this example I have the Photoshop logo, so I just want to go ahead and search for Photoshop logo just like that, and go to images, and then select this logo and save image as. All right, so I have it already, and just drag and drop it to your Photoshop just like this, and you can change its size. All right, obviously you can download more logos, but just make sure that they are royalty free images so that you don't get any strikes from YouTube. All right, so this is how you get it, guys. All right, and that is it, guys. Alright guys, so this is how you get the outline effect, and this is how you can design a nicer thumbnail that stands out for your YouTube videos. So this is it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and turn the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So that is it. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I hope to see you next time. Peace out.